So, hi guys, I'm Ella. My vlog name is Australia Diaries. Well, I am Australia and love to be called by Ella. So, well, bakit ko ba ginagawa to? We're and it's not necessary, but for me, it's for my remembrance. Since right now I'm getting old, going this 30 years of age, and no, I'm in my 31 years journey in this life. Well, bakit ko ba ginagawa 'to? Well, it's first thing first, I wanted to have a documentation if matigulang ako na ako'y tanaw-tanawon. Well, I'm not really good into this, but I'm trying and I just love documenting life. Well, it's not my first vlog actually. I do first vlog way back 20 pandemic after the pandemic. Yeah, I started doing vlog about planting kasi plantito tayo way back that pandemic days. So want to share you guys mostly in this vlog about life experiences, my personal experiences about love experiences, about friendship, love of friendship, and also on how to take care of yourself. What is the coping mechanism that I've used to, and also setting boundaries. And right now also, I'm studying like investing since I really wanted to invest something. I don't have enough that money to invest such big companies or invest those things, but like I really wanted and to jump into that things. Then yeah, documenting this is because um, of course I have this um, inner self that really wanted to do things like this, and I hope 2026 I learn more about this kind of things, and also yeah, wanted also to show you guys the traveling that I'm going to this year. Hoping well, even if it's not out of the country, even if this region lang, around Philippines lang, which is I'm trying to. So, ang hirap lang kasi in this age, well, I wanted to share you guys, akala ko talaga nung high school, pagkatapos ng high school, ang dali-dali lang ng college. So, yun yung akala ko. So, after college, I thought I'd be having this beautiful work. But yeah, life start after schooling talaga. Yeah, yun ang totoo. And yeah, I just wanted to share you about my life, about my experiences during good days, bad days, and yun lang. There is someone that been inspiring me a long, long time to do this. And I don't have the guts, I don't have the energy, I don't have the feeling to do it. So right now, I think mag-study tayo about doing this kind of thing. Doing not day by day vlog, but I will do Sunday content lang since I got work and also kailangan natin magpahinga. Well, also, I'm going to share you about my journey about changing. I mean, I don't know if you guys having this like because it's because of our hormones also. So yeah, wanted to share you guys also about that journey. Well, I just want to let you know also on how this younger self and during my 20s and this journey of 30s, it's like pag 20s mo talaga, carefree ka eh. Like, parang in my case, di ako na-worry eh. Maybe it's because um, I'm the youngest and also I step out early in our home. So maybe that kind of thing also. So I did not worry, but I only think about myself. It's not about selfish naman kasi tumutulong din naman ako sa kanila. But uh, I really enjoy life and hindi ko talaga naisip na like going to invest, make more study, like get to experience some things. Ngayon lang talaga pagpasok ng 30 ko, 30 years, last year, 30 na ako since nung, no, yeah, nung January. I mean, no, it's November. I'm 31 years of age, so palapit na yung 32. Oh my God. So wala na talaga tayo sa kalendaryo. Ika nga, tapos na tayo sa kalendaryo. So welcome to bingo year na naman. So yun. So looking forward for you guys to watch my vlog. Well, it's my documentaries naman. So I just wanted to share you since I really wanted also to share the things that mostly I've experienced and about heartbreak of friendship, and wanted also to share you the things about LGBT since I'm into that, and also wanted to share about movies, GL. So I'm into that kind of person right now. Well, lahat naman nag-iiba. During my 20 years during my 20s, I don't like going party. Even now, in my 30s, I don't really like that one. But in my inner self, I wanted to, but I did not dare to do it. I tried to drink liquor, by the way, like my 25 years. And yeah, a lot of things that we're gonna talk. And I hope you watch my video coming soon. So yeah, see you there in my Australia Diaries in YouTube and more on TikTok also. So yeah, yun, kita kits, and I wanted to see you there. Okay, bye.